of public speaking, but VSM public speaking workshops and 1-minute speech competition gave me the courage to express my thoughts clearly in front of large audience.
I always liked oratory and participated in various events, but the VSM public speaking workshop helped me to become a great winner speaker, as I learned so many new things like message treatment, intonation pause, audience care. All these new skills helped me to become a winner public speaker.
I never really gave editing much importance earlier, but ever since I attended the workshop of VIVEKANAND SWADHYAY MANDAL on writing skills, I realized the importance of even a single comma and how moving it around can change the entire meaning of a sentence. As I've started to use these tricks and tactics of macro editing, micro editing, proofreading in my daily tasks, writing assignments or even writing answers in exams, I realize how greatly I have benefited.
VSM writing skill workshops helped me in learning the technical aspects of writing and also boosted my creative writing skills. Now I can very confidently create content for my personal brand.
I am glad to be a part of VSM Personality Development Workshops, as it helped me to develop a confidence to dream big and think big about my own self and my career.
VSM Workshop helps me in improvising my decision-making abilities. It generates a positive outlook towards life and also gives me courage to think out of the box. All credit goes to VSM Personality Development Workshop.